Hello class 8. We are starting with the food production and management chapter. Now we all know what is a crop, but we need a proper definition for that. When large number of plants of same kind are grown on a given land, it is called crop. Crop produce or yield means whatever products we are getting from the crop plant, that is called the crop produce or yield. Now what is agriculture? We all have heard about agriculture, but we need again a proper definition, and it is a very important practice all over the world which can give employment to about 70% of the population. It is the practice of growing plants and rearing animals. So not only growing plants, by hearing agriculture we always think of only growing plants, but it is also for rearing of animals. Now what are the types of crops? Oil seeds, example groundnut, mustard; tuber crop, potato, ginger; fiber crop, jute, cotton; plantation crop, tea, coffee; root crop, sweet potato, carrot; sugar crop, sugarcane, beetroot; cereals, wheat, jowar; pulses, gram, pea, bean, etc. All these are characterized by various kinds of features. Accordingly, we have divided into various types of crops. Now we need to know what is horticulture. Horticulture is the branch of agriculture that deals with the cultivation of fruits, vegetables, flowers and ornamental plants. That means not only fruits, vegetables, but also flowers, and also those ornamental plants which we use to decorate our homes. Okay, everything is included in this branch of agriculture known as horticulture. Now we can classify the crops on the basis of growing season. Mainly two types. Okay, I have now given this Rabi crop and Kharif crop points in such a way so that you can write the differences also if it comes in your exam. Okay, Rabi crop also called winter crops. Kharif crop also called wet summer crops. Sowing period in winters from October to December. Sowing period in summer, that means on onset of monsoon in June or July. That means it's not only summer but it's actually monsoon. Harvesting period, that means when we are cutting off the crop from the field. For Rabi it is around March and April. For Kharif it is about September to October. And what are the examples? For Rabi crop it is wheat, barley, pea, gram, and for Kharif it is paddy, maize, cotton, pulses. Now students, if you don't have these differences properly in your book, you can write it down from my video, and I have written the points in such a way so that you can differentiate the Rabi and Kharif crops if it comes in your exam. So you can jot it down from this video also if you don't have this in your book properly. Okay. Now we need to know the agricultural practices. All the activities, all the practices that includes from sowing to harvesting of the crops are called agricultural practices. And we need to know all the steps because there are numerous steps, Preparing the soil by ploughing and leveling, selecting and sowing the seeds, manuring, that means applying fertilizers, irrigation, that means watering of the land, removal of weeds. Weeds means those unwanted plants. Protection from pest and insects. Harvesting, threshing and winnowing. Storing of seeds. So these are the points which we need to know that includes this agricultural practices steps. Okay. Now first step is preparing the soil by ploughing and leveling. Now it is done by turning and loosening the soil. Why is it need?